In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add star rating in Jotform. Whether you're collecting feedback, gauging satisfaction, or running quick reviews, a star rating is a simple, visual way to capture opinions at a glance. I'll walk you through adding it to your form and customizing it so it fits your needs perfectly. First, head to the Jotform form builder and open the form you want to edit. If you already have your form created, you'll see it load right in the builder. If you don't, just open any existing form you'd like to modify. Give it a moment to load so the editing tools appear on the page. On the left side of the builder, click Add Form Element. This opens the panel you'll use to insert fields into your form. Make sure you're on the Basic tab. That's where Jotform keeps the most commonly used elements, including the one we're looking for. If you don't see the panel, try clicking the Add Form Element button again to toggle it open. Now scroll down the Basic Elements list until you find the star rating option. You'll notice it by the star icon next to its name. Click it once and Jotform will instantly add the star rating field to your form. You'll see it appear in the form area on the right. If it lands in the wrong spot, you can simply drag it up or down to place it exactly where you want it. It will adopt your form's theme and styling automatically, keeping everything consistent. To customize the rating, click the star rating field in your form, then click the gear icon to open its properties. Here's where you can fine-tune how it works. Adjust the number of stars from 1 to 10. Fewer stars, like 3 or 5, can make choices simpler. More stars give you more nuance. Decide whether the field is required so respondents can't submit without selecting a rating. If you'd like more precision, turn on Allow half stars so people can choose values like 3.5. Finally, update the label to match your question, such as Rate your experience, and add a description to clarify what each star level means or set expectations for how the rating will be used. Clear labels and descriptions lead to better, more consistent responses. That's all you need to add and tailor a star rating in Jotform. With these adjustments, your form will capture feedback quickly and clearly, helping you make better decisions from the responses you collect.